Hi everyone! Welcome back to MomNMeBeauty. Today is our first video for our 2018 Halloween series. I personally am very excited to film more Halloween videos because I think they're one of the best videos to film. I have a lot of fun making our Halloween videos. The whole point of this tutorial was for me to be able to try out the somewhat new Too Faced Then and Now palette. I just purchased this a couple days before filming this, and I so far am loving this palette. And when I got it, I thought I really want to use this for a Halloween video, and then it came to me I could be this for Halloween. 1998 on one side and 2018 on the other side. So I was just very excited for this video. I just want to remind you that we do post 2 beauty videos a week. One on Mondays, which is a Mom Me Day, and on Thursdays, which is either Teen Take with me or a Mom Moment with my mom. So without further ado, let's get started. Since my face is going to be split down the middle, that means that my eyeshadow looks for each eye are going to be completely different, but I'm going to use the same eyeshadow primer for both eyes. And that eyeshadow primer is the Essence I Love Color Intensifying Eyeshadow Base. So starting off with the 1998 eye, I'm going to start with the shade Ziz, and I'm going to apply that from my lid almost to my eyebrow, because back in the 90s, from the pictures that I looked at on Google, that they bring the color very close to their eyebrow. This shade is glittery. So judging by the picture that I'm looking at, they then take a darker version of the color that they first applied, and they put that in the outer corner going into the crease, and they kind of darken up the eye a little bit. And it also looks like they drag outer corner color under their eye. And I'm going to take the shade Reality Star. This shade does have a lot of fallout, so if you want to do your eyeshadow with this palette, be sure to do your eyeshadow first and then foundation. But for this 1998 look, I guess it works because there's going to be eyeshadow underneath my eye anyways. So for the next step to get the 90s-esque look, I'm going to take a really bright blush, and I am going to apply basically the whole pan onto my cheek. And I'm going to take the Too Faced Best Year Ever eyeshadow palette that they released last year for Christmas, and I'm going to use the shade Will You Marry Me, and that is the blush shade from this palette. The faces that I am making with putting this blush on is hilarious. For the lip color, I'm going to take the Tarte Dreamy LipSurgence lip tint. I don't know if they sell this anymore because this was from a holiday kit a long time ago. This is going to be interesting, applying it to half of my lips. So this is half of the costume. So let's move on to present day. So first off, I'm going to do some definition in the crease using the shade Gretchen and the shade Gigi, and I'm going to apply that in my crease. Next, I'm going to take the shade Villain. I'm going to apply that shade from the outer corner going to about here, and then I'm going to take the shade Glitter Donut, and I'm going to apply that from here to my inner corner. I'm going to take the shade I Can't Even first, and then put the shade Trixie on top of it, just in the center, and really blend it out. Next up, is some blush, and I'm going to use the Pixi by Petra blush in the shade Beach Rose. And lastly, the nude lip. Nude lips have been very, very popular the past couple years, so that's what I'm going to use on the other half of my lips. The nude lipstick I used was the Sephora Lip Stories lipstick in the shade Love Love. So that is it for this tutorial for Halloween. Now, as far as my first impressions go, I love this. This is extremely pigmented. Now, some of these shades did have a little bit of fallout, but I can get past that because I usually do eyeshadow before using foundation and concealer anyways. So that personally does not bother me, but I love the packaging. It is so gorgeous. It's got the old Too Faced logo on it. I love how it's glittery. This is like my dream packaging for an eyeshadow palette, and it is huge. I went up to Sephora and grabbed it, and it was unbelievable how big it is. I thought it would be the size of a chocolate bar palette, but nope, this is way bigger. I love the color selection. I love, where they're placed. I think the renaming them is pretty clever. I love everything about this palette, and it smells great. And it's also got a nice mirror. The only thing I have to say about this is that the price is, it's crazy. I saw the price of this palette and I was like, whoa, wait, I get it that it's, your 20th birthday palette, but why $60? It's unbelievable to me. I almost paid 70 bucks at Sephora just for this palette. So it is a little bit crazy, but then again, it's amazing quality and you get tons of gorgeous eyeshadows. Yeah, that is it for this video. Be sure to give this video a like if you liked it, and also comment down below if you've used this, what you think of it, if you want to get it, if you don't have it already. Let me know. I'm very curious to know. Also tell us if you thought this was a clever idea for Halloween, and if you actually might do it, because I just might. Be sure to subscribe down below and click the little bell next to it to be notified of all of our new videos. Be sure to connect with us on Instagram under MomNMeBeauty, and with me under Emma_N_2004 on Instagram and Pinterest. Again, thank you so much for watching, and we will see you next time in our next MomNMe video. Bye everyone!